Alright, so we've got a Model 38, so Scott Bonnar Model 38. I'm lucky enough to come across one in Brisbane. They are quite rare in Brisbane. I know that Perth have a lot of Scott Bonnar Model 38s compared to the rest of Australia. I'm not sure what the go is with that, but nonetheless I've managed to find one in Brisbane. And I've already gone ahead, pulled it all apart, sandblasted everything, and edge primed and then painted. So basically we're going to put that back together. I'll be following my diagram here. This is actually a Series 1 diagram. The model I have is actually a Series 2. Basically the difference between them is this one actually has a clutch lever at the top of the handlebars. So Series 1 has a clutch lever at the top of the handlebars, Series 2 doesn't. So basically, this is a Series 2. To start off, I think the best, because the Model 38, basically everything bolts to the side of the engine, so really we need to make the chassis or the rolling chassis first, mount the engine and then bolt everything to the engine. So first step, going to put the wheels together and then slip them onto the chassis. Once we've done that, we should be able to mount our motor, and once we've got the motor there, the rest of the mower can go together. So there's really not a great deal to this. We've got the rear wheels, they go together like so, and then there's just two nuts and bolts that slip through, holds them together. And then the front wheels are a bit bigger. Basically inside here there's all these nylon sort of bushes and whatnot. I actually didn't go to the trouble of removing that. These wheels are pretty good condition. I've just sort of cleaned them up and left everything in there. You can pull all that out if you want. I haven't. So basically all that needs to happen for these, slip them on, put a circlip on. So starting with the rear wheels. Right, so now we've got the wheels together. Basically, next step is to mount it onto our chassis. Once we've done that, we'll have a rolling chassis and basically ready to mount the engine. So there's just a washer on the inside of each wheel, and then a washer on the outside of each wheel, and then a circlip. So a circlip sort of pushes into the little groove in the shaft of the wheel shaft. So here we go. Alright, so we'll just push the Scott Bonnar sort of inserts on the front wheels. They sort of just push straight on. So next step, we'll mount the engine. We currently have a rolling chassis. Alright, so here we've got our engine. This was the original engine off this Model 38. I have pulled this apart, I have cleaned it up, I have repainted this. New stickers, new air filter, new spark plug, basically just a general service, new oil. So she looks the part now. Basically we're going to mount that up onto our frame. The only thing that you really need to know when you do this is just to make sure that the engine shaft is sticking out the side with our mounting bracket. So this will actually hold our cowl. So basically the engine shaft has to be pointing this side, and really there's not a great deal to this either. There's 4 nuts and bolts. Pop her on there, tighten them up. There we have it, guys. Basically, engine's now mounted onto our chassis. We can move that around. It's going to make it easier to work on. From this point onwards, we're going to mount all this sort of stuff coming off the engine mounts here. So that'll go out this way and we'll build off that. Eventually, the blade will be sitting here, and that's the side that you'll be cutting along the edge with. So that'll be the next video, but step 1, we're complete.